Folks, this is a COVID-19 update. Sorry, I have to wear the mask. As you can see, we're at OCC and we're still in operations. After the March general outbreak, we had to close for 2 months. During those 2 months, we redesigned our safety protocols and processes that we are now using very strictly on every patient that travels. After reopening, we've done over 600 cases where every single patient before they travel have to have a negative blood test, antibody test, and a negative PCR, which is the nose swab. That's the one that detects the virus particles. These two tests are essential to know if you are infectious at the moment or if you have had contact with the virus at some point and your body created antibodies through the defense system to it. Once you have those tests, we receive those tests here and then we get an approval to travel to our center. We again repeat both studies. We draw blood and we do the antibody test and we do the PCR nose swab before even arriving to the hospital. That's extremely important. So all patients are quarantined at the hotel for 24 to 48 hours before the results finish. Once they finish and before they are admitted to the hospital, we do one last test, which is called a CT scan of the chest, with the intention of finding lesions of a COVID infection. Then, when we have all negative tests, then we can go ahead and admit them to the hospital and do the final procedure and send you back home. Weight loss surgery is now considered an essential medical procedure to prevent the deadly form or severe form of the COVID-19 disease. We have not seen any travel issues coming to and from our center as we provide you with a letter that you are receiving now essential surgery during these COVID-19 times. We're also providing our driver as well with this information, and we have not seen any issues crossing the border to and from the United States. I thank you for listening. Please stay safe, follow all those guidelines that are there for your protection, and last but not least, from OCC, happy holidays.